Hello, friends. Today we're back on another exciting adventure with Backpack Bear. Buckle up because today's journey is all about cold-blooded animals. That's right. We're going to dive right into the amazing world of reptiles, amphibians, and fish. We'll be exploring these creatures using Backpack Bear's very own book, Reptiles, Amphibians, and Fish by Alice O. Shepard. Let's see what fascinating facts we can discover together. First off, let's talk about the difference between warm-blooded and cold-blooded animals. Warm-blooded animals, like us humans, can keep their body temperature steady, no matter if it's a hot sunny day or a chilly winter morning. On the other hand, cold-blooded animals let their body temperature change with the weather. All right, let's start with reptiles. Reptiles are fascinating creatures with tough, scaly skin. They breathe air through lungs, which is pretty cool, right? Most reptiles live on land, but some, like sea turtles, visit the water. They also lay eggs. Imagine that. You might recognize some of these remarkable reptiles. Snakes, which can slither without legs. Talk about unique. Alligators and crocodiles, with their powerful jaws, watch out when they snap. And let's not forget about sea turtles. They swim gracefully in the ocean, but still need to poke their heads above water to breathe air, just like we do. Did you know that some lizards can drop their tails when they feel threatened? It's true. This clever trick helps them escape from danger, and the good news is that a new tail will grow back. Next up are amphibians. The word amphibian means two lives, and it makes perfect sense. Most amphibians start their lives in water, breathing with gills just like fish. But as they grow, they go through an incredible transformation called metamorphosis. Take frogs, for example. They start as tiny tadpoles, swimming around in ponds. As they mature, they grow legs and develop lungs, allowing them to hop out onto land. Isn't that amazing? With each life stage, they change so much until they finally become the familiar croaking frogs we all know. What's even cooler? Many frogs and toads have a special skill. They can breathe through their skin. This allows them to absorb oxygen directly from the water or air around them. So if you ever see a frog sitting still, it might just be catching its breath. Amphibians really do have a special connection to both water and land. Now, let's dive into the world of fish. Fish spend their entire lives in the water, which means they have some amazing adaptations. They breathe using gills, allowing them to extract oxygen from the water, and their bodies are covered in shiny scales. The ocean is home to so many incredible fish. From the colorful little clownfish that dance around in coral reefs to the sneaky sharks that glide through the depths, there's always something fascinating to learn about. Did you know that some sharks are born live instead of hatching from eggs? That means when they're born, they're ready to swim and explore right away. How cool is that? How cool is that? Fish come in all shapes, sizes, and colors, making every underwater exploration an exciting adventure. Now let's talk about something super important. Some of our cold-blooded friends, like sea turtles and the pine barrens tree frog, are endangered. This means they are at risk of disappearing from our world. We need to protect their homes from pollution, overhunting, and habitat loss. When we take care of our environment, we're not just protecting these animals, we're safeguarding our planet for everyone. Every little action counts in preserving the natural world. Let's all do our part to ensure that these amazing creatures continue to thrive for generations to come. Thank you for joining Backpack Bear on this cold-blooded adventure.